The best face masks. If you want your face to feel and look beautiful every day, then face masks are a great option. Here are some of the best face masks to help you enjoy perfectly soft and acne-free skin, 24/7. The best masks for your skin. Yogurt and honey recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and some lemon juice drops, 10 to 12. Put together all of the ingredients until you create a homogeneous paste and apply it to your face for half an hour. Then, rinse your face with warm water and you will be able to see the difference in your skin. Another interesting option is using natural yogurt alone. This should be applied, left on your face for 15 minutes and washed off. Avocado recipe. This is ideal for dry skin. You will need half of an avocado and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Prepare a paste and apply it to your face, leaving it on your skin for 15 minutes. Softly take it off with warm water. Peanut recipe. This is also a great mask for dry skin that require additional hydration. Mix 2 tablespoons of peanuts with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use a blender to mix them together. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, allowing it to stay on your skin for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Milk and honey recipe. This is excellent for eliminating impurities from your skin. It is cleansing and it causes your pores to close and stops them from producing so much grease. The ingredients of this mask are 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 egg white. Mix everything together and apply the resulting mixture to your face. Allow it to set for 15 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Lastly, give your face a splash of cold water. Cucumber and apple recipe. This mask is ideal for people with greasy skin and all you need is half of a red apple, half of a cucumber, the juice from 1 small lemon and 1 egg white. Beat the ingredients together well and put the mixture in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Apply it to your face and neck for 20 minutes. Take it off with warm water. Carrot and yogurt recipe. These are the 2 main ingredients that make up this mask that is ideal for greasy, shiny skin. Mix the juice from 1 lemon with the juice from 1 orange. In a separate container, liquefy 1 carrot with half of a cup of yogurt. Apply this to your face for between 10 and 15 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Almond recipe. This gives you healthy skin in a matter of minutes. You need raw, untoasted almonds. Put them in a mortar and make them into powder. Mix this powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and apply it to your face for 3 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and then apply your daily moisturizing cream. The best hydrating masks. All of these masks have 100 natural products and are more effective than the ones you can buy at beauty salons or stores. You likely have all of the necessary ingredients in your house already, so you probably won't need to go out and buy anything. Pumpkin recipe. Mix 4 tablespoons of cooked pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil and half of a tablespoon of milk. Create a homogeneous paste. Put this mask on your face, spreading it well and allowing it to act on your skin for 20 minutes. Take it off with an absorbent paper towel and rinse your face with warm water. Banana recipe. You have to crush the banana and add 1 tablespoon of honey and 5 tablespoons of oat flour. Once this mask is well mixed together, apply it to your whole face, except for directly around your eyes, and allow it to set for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Apple recipe. For this mask, you should cut the apple into pieces and cook it in half of a liter of water. Allow it to cool in the refrigerator for half an hour. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey and another of wheat germ in a container. Add the pieces of apple and mix it until it forms a paste. Apply this mask to your face and allow it to act on your skin for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water and neutral soap. The best exfoliating masks. If your problem stems from blackheads, acne and pimples, there is no problem. You can take advantage of the benefits of these recipes and tips. Exfoliation is extremely important because it will help to eliminate the dead skin cells and obtain softer, more beautiful skin, in addition to helping to make spots and scars disappear. One of the most economical exfoliants that exist is fine-grained sugar that will not harm your skin. Once you have washed your face well with neutral soap, wet your skin with water and apply a bit of sugar. Rub the sugar into your skin very lightly with circular motions without pressing too hard. Later, you need to rinse it off with cold water and apply your moisturizer. Oatmeal is another wonderful option. Mix 3 tablespoons of oatmeal and 1/4 cup of milk in a container. Once the oatmeal flakes are hydrated, apply this mixture to your face and allow it to act for several minutes without massaging it or anything. If you have greasy skin, you can substitute the milk for water. Honey is also a great help for exfoliation. For this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of pure bee honey. Apply this softly to your face and allow it to act for 15 minutes. Shortly after removing it, you will notice that your skin is soft, hydrated and revitalized.